Anyway, so welcome back, guys. I'm not done on colors yet. Okay, so this is another all these things I'm showing you are from Canva. Okay, Canva is a platform where you can make designs online or using their mobile app on your phone. But I discovered that there are resources in it that are so amazing, and I have been using them to teach people. Okay, I've been using them to teach people, and I can assure you these resources would help you if you pay attention to them. So now I want to show us some colors and their meaning. Okay, so Canva has a place where they've saved a lot of colors, the meanings, and then how you can use them, their history, and all of that. So we'll just see a few. I just hope this network helps us fast. So let's just pick some few ones and see. So all of these colors have their meaning. Okay, so just imagine you are aware of all these things. Whatever you know, it's easy to apply. Okay, whatever you know, it becomes so easy to apply. Let me just pick one here. I don't want to bore us so much with this, but I really need to show us also. Okay, so why that's loading up? I will just stress on the importance of you knowing these things. If you know what a red color means, you know when to use it, because if you are designing for brands will tell you what they are about, what they do, what they hope to be. And when you're making their logo, their business card, your flyers, whatever it is you're doing for them, the elements you are using should portray their vision, should portray their standards, should portray their mission statement, should portray their passions. Okay, so you knowing about colors helps you to imagine using red for a hospital. Imagine using black for a hospital. No, it doesn't work like that. Okay, so you need to be aware of colors that suits various industries, various interests, and push out different messages. Okay, so this is lime green, a shade of green. Okay, so lime green is a bright green color resembling that of skin and all of that. Let's move down to there's a portion where you get more about it. I think I've passed it. Okay, so sitting right in between this, and between yellow green and yellow in the color wheel, lime green is a mixture of these two, making it a distinct yellow tone green. It works quite well with both warm and color tones such as yellow and blue, making it a great addition to many palettes. So, if you want to use green, it is best you're using it with yellow or blue to make your design very, 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 very amazing. And also, there's a part I also want to show us. Okay, so let me highlight this. Lime green is a color closely associated with nature, confidence, high energy, and is thought to promote feelings of liveliness, freshness, and creativity. So when you think of businesses like this, you think of hospitals, you think of schools, you think of freshness, you think of even banks. Okay, you think of banks, you think of tech. Okay, you think of yes, tech. It works in tech too. So your knowledge of these helps you to be able to know where to apply the color. So they've told us what it means. They've also told us how to colors that you can match them with. They've even given us the color codes. I'll show us about color codes later. And they've also talked about various things. For those who are web developers, you can use this. And then these are examples of green being applied in Canva designs, right? So this is amazing if you apply it very well, right? And then blue. Okay, so coming over to blue and all of that. So there are lots of resources that if you read through them, you're going to okay, let me pick one or two. What does midnight blue represent? Okay, so midnight blue projects sophistication and elegance. Its link with formal occasions and royalty means it convey confidence, power, authority, while its day blue can also come across as dark and mysterious. So my knowledge of this now helps me to know, oh, I know when to use a midnight blue. There are some things I can use it for. I can use it for a design that is feminine, a design that has to do with beauty wears. And no, I really can't. It has to do with something it doesn't mean you can't. You can, but it won't really portray. There are more colors that really, really will portray those qualities of a beauty, of a fashion home, and all of that. Okay, or this can be used for a bank, a school, a museum, something of history, and all of that. So guys, please go through them. Please and please go through them. I can't start. There are thousands of colors here. I can't explain all of them to you, right? But I have drafted the two ways that you can go through them. I'm going to give an assignment on this. So you make your research and give me feedback on them. All right. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.